Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chinga Online Math. In this video, I want us to look at a question coming from a 2018 GCE paper 1. So this question was given as a question 22a. The question reads, given a right angled triangle XYZ, where angle Z is equal to 90 degrees and sine X is equal to 4/5, find the value of cos X. So we want to get the value of cos X, okay? We don't want the angle X, but the value of cos X, just like the way sine has been given here. Sine X is equal to 4/5, so it has been given as a fraction. So we want a fraction that is equal to cos X. Now, the information given is that we are dealing with a right angle triangle, and angle Z is equal to 90 degrees. So for that, we are going to start by drawing a right angle triangle. So I'll use this instrument to help me draw a right angle triangle. So for our solution, we are going to start with a right angle triangle. Okay, so let me just do this. Okay, so now here where we have these perpendicular lines, the vertical and the horizontal are forming up a 90 degrees angle here. So this is where we're going to put letter Z. So this is angle Z, which is 90 degrees. And then I'll put Y at that point and X at that point. So then let's go to sine. Sine X is equal to 4/5. From the trig ratios, we know that sine angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So this means that we are dealing with sine angle, which in this case is X here, and this is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, because the trig ratio is sine angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So meaning this here is 4, and the hypotenuse is the longest side and the side that is opposite to the 90 degrees. So meaning this side here. So this here is 5. Okay, then if you go to cos angle is given by cos angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So what about cos X in this case? So the same angle X, cos X is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So now if you've noticed here, we don't have the adjacent, which is XZ. So then we need to calculate XZ, because if we get XZ, we are just going to say cos X is equal to the value that we're going to get here over the hypotenuse, which is basically 5. So getting XZ, we are going to work with the Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem, in this case, to calculate this adjacent side, when you've got one adjacent side and the hypotenuse, what we're just going to do is subtract these two, okay, the squares of these two. So this will be done as follows: xz square is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is 5 square, take away the square of this adjacent side, so which is 4 square. So what does this give us? So xz square equal to 5 square is 25, then minus 4 square is 16, so we get 16 here. Xz square is equal to 25 take away 16. 25 take away 16 is just 9. So we're going to have 9 here, and this side we're going to have xz square. To get xz, we square root both sides. So this will mean for the left part, the square and the square root will simplify, so leaving us with the xz. Then on the right side, square root of 9 is 3. So what we're getting is 3. So this means that xz is 3. So this completes the right angle triangle. So we've got all the 3 sides. So we can just get the value of cos X without any difficulties. So cos X is equal to what? So remember we said cos angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So this means that the adjacent is 3 in this case. Since the opposite is 4, the adjacent is 3. Then over hypotenuse, which is given as 5. So this here is our answer. Cos x is equal to 3 over 5. Thank you so much for watching this video.